Check 1, 2. Yeah, boys, how you feeling tonight? 30 seconds to show, yo.
It is. I hear it.
You hear everything. Yeah, boys. You like that?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, you guys are part of that. Let's get after it. Well, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Goldie, and you are at Live at the BeeHive tonight. And we have the band Ain't From Here. And these gentlemen will introduce themselves more so as we go through the particular evening. But I think in the way that this particular evening should go, I think it's just time to fire it up. And let's get some music going from a band called Ain't From pardon me, and words are coming out of my mouth. From a band known as Ain't From Here, because not one member is actually from here, which should surprise nobody because we're in Colorado. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get Ain't From Here on stage and let's get ripping. Welcome to Live at the BeeHive. Let's go.
This one's called Way Back. Way back in my mind. This a girl with pretty girls that dance with me on Friday night. Weren't the kind to take me home, but when you dance, you held me close, and darling, it felt right. I didn't just hold you back, I held you way back. Way back of this dance hall. There'll be some man who understands the dangers of a prideful fall. I tried to do my best for you, and when I fell, you pulled me through, and darling, I recall, you didn't just have my back, you had it way back. Dance and you might have a friend tonight. Teach a man a two-step and he might follow you for life. Way back in time. Before I even knew your name, I told my friends I'd make you mine, oh mine. Must have been a sight to see you, and I brought home my bride to be, and we danced off that wine. I didn't just love you back, I loved you way back. No, I didn't just love you back, I loved you way back.
Boys. Yeah.